Hello, hello everybody. It is day 7 of Treasure Trovember. I am so happy you are here. Let me just say that I am so happy. This is the end of the first week of prompts in our 6th annual challenge. Yeah, and you're still here and you're still showing up. If you haven't registered yet, go to explore.collage-lab.com/Trovember and you'll be able to download our free guide, 30 Tips for 30 Days. There's also a welcome video if you want to figure out what this is all about and start back at day 1. It's an easy challenge to catch up with. So we are only on day 7. You can do this today. No worries. So day 7 challenge is add a beverage. Add a beverage to your collage. If you can't find one to cut out and paste, you could draw one or paint one. But add a beverage. Add a beverage to your collage and then come back tomorrow for day 8.